Hello everybody. If you're trying to free up your disk space on your Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7, in today's video we will be guiding you to the process in order to do so. So let's just head over without any delay. For that, what we can do is we can head over and go over and open up your file manager on your computer. Go to the search below and search for File Manager Explorer. Open it up and you should be finding it like this. Go over, and once you go, you'll be finding this PC. Click on it, and we can look out for your local disk C, which is about to be filled, and click on it. After you click on it, you will look out for your Windows option and click on it, and it should open up here. From here, you can just go over, scroll down, and look out for option for software restoration. So just go ahead and click on it and open it up. Once you are here, you can go to this download option and open it up. And there you'll be finding files for your older updates. So here you'll be finding all of the unnecessary files and folders, and there you'll be finding the older updates files and folders which will be remaining as a junk on your computer. So those files are not necessary. So what we can do is we can just go ahead and press Ctrl plus A, and that should select all. And you can just go ahead and hit Shift plus Delete. And when you do, you can select if you would like to permanently delete. You can go ahead and click on yes, and that way it should delete all of the particular folder on your computer and create up disk space on your Windows. And the next thing we can do is we can clear the cache directly. For that, you can just go ahead and hit Windows plus R, and once you are here, you can type in W as reset and hit OK. After you do so, it should automatically delete all of the unnecessary files and clear the cache on your computer directly. So it just takes a few seconds for it to be completed. And once this is done, we can just go ahead and clear up our management disk as well. Go over and hit Windows R, and this time type in clean and GR. After that, click on OK. And once you click on it, you can select up your drive you want to clean up. Click on OK. And there it will show you these files. You can just go ahead and select all of the files available here. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and click on OK. And that should clean up disk space for yourself. And that's it. And at last, what we can do is we can just go ahead and delete the necessary applications. For that, hit Windows plus R. And here type in appwedge.cpl. Just go ahead and type in that. After you do so, click on OK. And once you click on OK, it will show you all of the particular applications that you've downloaded. You can delete the unnecessary ones. Go ahead and find it, right click on it, and you can just go ahead and install or change the program from the section right here. So that's it. These are some of the particular methods you can apply up if you would like to delete all of the necessary files and folders on your computer. So don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.